Ah, Good morning, yung adlaw. Ni kita sa there's a place the way to if you going there, and that's you see that the house, that's my no bang house, and this is the way. uh if you walk there and you see the gamot, punuan of mahogany, and you discovered at the back of the tree and a mountain, yes, and that's a lagoon area. So we continue there. uh, that's all. There's more tree punuan.